Good afternoon, class. Now, today we are going to start with a new chapter in our reader books. That is, chapter 6, Our Tree Toad. It's a small poem. Now, first of all, I'm going to read the poem, then I'm going to explain, then we will do the exercises. Grandfather says the tree toad that to a yard has come. It's just a little wee toad, no bigger than his thumb, and that his coat so queer it can turn from green to blue, whatever colors near it, why that its color too. And then grandfather snickers and says, would you suppose he climbs with little stickers on all his little toes, and don't you wish your toes now were fixed like his, for see, right up the elm he goes now, and sticks tight to the tree. But then he says, oh dear me, if all the girls and boys could screech as loud, I fear me. There had been a dreadful noise. Elphinstone. Now, it's a story about a small frog. Here, toad is being referred to as frog. Grandfather is saying that there is a frog who have came in the group of buildings, and it is a little toad, not even bigger than his thumb, not even bigger than the grandfather's thumb. It is a bit strange, and it changes its color from green to blue, whatever colors near it. When he sees the color near it, it changes its color. And then grandfather snickers, and then grandfather just laughs in a bit naughty type of a way and says, would you suppose he climbs up with little stickers? He is just climbing up with little legs on all his little toes. He had just small toes on which he is climbing. And don't you wish your toes now were fixed like his? For see, right up the elm he's fixed up like a deciduous tree. It is a large, big deciduous tree. He's fixing up like that. He goes now and sticks tight to the tree. He just sticks right to the tree. But then he says, oh dear me, if all the girls and boys could make such a loud noise, there would be an extremely bad and a serious noise. Something bad or something bad and serious noise could come. This is a poem. Now, we are going to do two exercises based on this poem. First one is complete this summary with words from the poem. First one is grandfather said a tiny First, a blank-filled tea-toad had come to the yard. It was a special creature because it could change colors, and it could climb a tree, and it could also climb a tree. He said their toes helped them climb trees without falling off. He said their toes could help them to climb the trees without falling off from there. Second exercise is find words in the poem which mean the same as A. Very strange, that is queer. B. Make a sharp shrill sound, that is screech. C1. Laugh in a naughty way, snickers. D. Comparative adjective of big, that is bigger. Now, as we have done this, you have to do these exercises in your notebook. In the notebook, first of all, you have to put the heading reader book. Chapter 6, A Tree Toad. First one, complete this summary with words from the poem. Grandfather said a tiny tree toad had come to the yard. It was a special creature because it could change colors and it could climb a tree. He said their toes helped them climb the tree without falling off. Find words in the poem which mean the same as. Second exercise. A. Very strange, queer. B. Make a sharp shrill sound, screech. C1. Laugh in a naughty way, snickers. D. Comparative adjective of big, that is bigger. You have to write like this in your notebook. Now, after doing this, homework for you all is you have to read this poem, chapter 6 once again in your homework. Thank you.